I moved into the studio 2 years ago. It was my first home in Switzerland, the start of a complete new chapter in my life. For me, the studio symbolized a fresh beginning, a reset. The studio was nothing more than an empty, soulless white box. No warmth, no personality, no sense of life, just a small, concrete shell. But little by little, I transformed that cold space into a place we could finally call home. I built a small but beautiful bedroom, our heaven of peace and restful nights. I designed a cozy living room where we shared our favorite shows. There was even a special nook for our dog, with his name proudly displayed on the wall. And a dining space just big enough to enjoy our meals together in comfort and togetherness. In this tiny space we built beautiful memories. It was where we felt safe, serene, and united, stronger and more focused on our goals than ever. The studio wasn't just a place to live. It was a daily reminder of where we were and where we wanted to go. But now it's time to say goodbye. There's sadness, yes, but also happiness, because a new chapter is beginning. Life doesn't stop and neither can we. Stopping means we're not truly living, and life is far too good not to be lived fully. Goodbye, studio. You'll be remembered always. Now it's time to move. We started packing everything into boxes, making trip after trip to the new place. The challenge? Transporting our biggest pieces of furniture, the sofa and the mattresses. We decided to save some money and do it ourselves. No moving company, just us, our huge cars and a lot of determination. So at this point we had to figure it out how to fit a large mattress into one of the cars. With a bit of maneuvering and some teamwork, we managed to roll up the mattress and secure it first with elastic straps, and then reinforce it with some duct tape for extra hold. Then we transported it to the car's trunk, and to our surprise it fit perfectly. The mattress is 140 centimeters wide and 2 meters long, all made of foam, which I think it's the only reason we could pull it off.
Ada. Eu passo direito? Como quiseres. Ah, ok. 1, 2, 3. Espera. Deixa eu buscar a mão.
Next came the most challenging piece to move, the sofa. It's one large piece that couldn't be disassembled. Fortunately, transporting it was pretty straightforward since it's not that heavy. With a bit of shifting and angling, we managed to fit a full-size sofa into the trunk.
Hello.
So we did it. It's done. A small car with a small sofa. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm really tight inside, but it's possible to drive. If you have a car equal or bigger than mine, than a Polo, you probably can fit this sofa. I don't remember the name of it, but I can put it in the video afterwards. And yeah, it's okay. I took the measurements and yeah, I was right. The sofa fits in the car. We don't need to ask anyone to help us with the move because we don't have anything bigger than the sofa. Everything else that's bigger, it's going to stay at home because we sold. So yeah, we actually did it only with 2 small cars, and we're going to move everything in the cars to the new home. Once we arrived at the new home, we took a moment to survey the place, making out where everything will go. Surprisingly, some of the pieces from the studio fit perfectly, especially the mattresses and sofa. So we just finished all the change and I'm doing the last route to the new apartment, and everything that we've got we already moved, and yeah, it's happening. It's almost done. Yeah, I'm sad and at the same time I'm happy because it's a lot, and it's a lot that's going on, and yeah, new beginning, it's starting. This is how the back is looking. It's full of stuff. The last stuff, it's like groceries and hoodies, food and bathroom utilities and all that stuff. Yeah, it's almost done. Then the rest we're going to buy new or used, we don't know, depends on what we can find. If we can find good deals on Facebook or something, we could buy some furniture there, but everything that we don't have now, we're going to buy again. Yeah. After a few trips back and forth, we finally transported all our belongings. Whew. It's a lot of stairs. Yeah, but the apartment, it's awesome. It's very big for the price we're paying, and here in Switzerland, so I'm very content. But very tired of these fucking stairs. We have a lot more boxes, not too many, but a few more. We set up the essentials, at least the sofa and the mattress, so we could sleep, and the rest, well, the rest that's history.
Vamos dormir com as chineses.
Good.